In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello templates to optimize your project management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to log in to Trello. So open your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, which you'll find in the top right corner. Click that and sign in using your account details. If you prefer a quicker method, you also have the option to sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, the next step is to access the Templates gallery. You'll find a tab labeled Templates in the main menu. Go ahead and click on that. This action will transport you to a dedicated page filled with a variety of pre-made board layouts, making it super easy for you to find what you need. Now, let's take a look at how to browse these templates and select a category. As you scroll through the page, you'll notice that the templates are organized by different use cases. Whether you're working on marketing, personal projects, business management, or creative designs, you'll find something that fits your needs. Just click on any category that resonates with your current project. This will open up a more detailed selection of specialized boards tailored to that area. Next up, let's preview and use one of the templates. If you see a specific template that catches your eye, click on it to open a detailed view of its features and layout. Take a moment to explore the different elements included in this template, assessing if it aligns with your project goals. If it feels like a perfect fit, simply click the Use Template button. This action will create a copy of the board that lives in your own workspace. From there, you can start filling in your own tasks, deadlines, and details. It's that simple. Trello templates are a fantastic way to save time and streamline your workflow. Whether you're planning a new marketing campaign or tracking personal goals, these templates can provide you with a head start. To recap, remember to log into Trello, access the templates gallery, browse through categories that interest you, and finally, choose a template that fits your needs. Then, just use it to jump right into your projects. I hope you found this video helpful in navigating Trello templates. It's a great tool to help you stay organized and productive. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.